Integrating Tipalti with QuickBooks is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Log in to your QuickBooks online account as the administrator. Navigate to the App section within QuickBooks Online. You can usually find it in the left-hand sidebar menu. In the search bar of the app's marketplace, type in Tipalti. Locate the official Tipalti Accounts Payable Automation app and click on Install. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, launch the Tipalti app from within QuickBooks Online. You will be guided through the connection process, which might involve entering your Tipalti login credentials. QuickBooks Online and Tipalti might prompt you to map corresponding accounts between the two platforms. This ensures data flows accurately, for example, matching vendor accounts. After successful connection and configuration, you can start using Tipalti's features within QuickBooks Online.